Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the PrimeXBT application on your PC. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, there is no official application for your PC from PrimeXBT. So in order to use an application on your desktop, you will need to use an Android emulator. So in the address bar, just type in bluestacks.com and press enter. This is a popular Android emulator that you can download and install by simply clicking on the download button and then installing the file by simply scrolling through the next button. Once you install the BlueStacks application, go ahead and open it up. Now from the application, just tap on App Player to start up your virtual Android device. Now, once you can access your virtual device, just go ahead and open up the Play Store. You may be asked to log in if you haven't done so already, so go ahead and log in using your Google account, and then you can simply search for PrimeXBT in the search box. When you find the application, simply tap on the Install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the PrimeXBT application on your desktop. You can then simply tap on the Open button and this will open up the PrimeXBT application. Once you install this application, the shortcut for PrimeXBT will also be created on your desktop. And you can simply open up the application by double-clicking on this. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the PrimeXBT application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.